Watch how dumb this thing is. It is in the foot position, so that door way back there is supposed to be closed, like it is now. When I go to the upper position, that door right there is supposed to rotate up and allow all the air to come in. You'll see it. So I'm gonna press the button. Watch what happens. Nothing, right? The motor back there, the little white arm doesn't turn. It's not spinning. It's not clicking. So it's in the upper, and this isn't moving. And when I wiggle this wire harness that controls this motor, this actuator, watch what happens. You can see it. The door back there. I'm gonna wiggle this. Oh, look at it. Try to open up. See it? A little more. Oh, try it again. Oh, let's keep going. You can see it opening further and further, and you hear it clicking. The motor's turning. And you hear click, 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 click. Let's try. You click, click, click. So it's almost fully open now. Turn a little bit farther up. Let's do a little bit more. There it is. See it? There you go. See, it's fully open. Upper, fully open. Then to go to the lower, it really has a problem. Again, it won't move. So there's an electrical problem. See, that door should be going down, the bottom come up, and that little actuator. See right there. That arm rotates. It's supposed to close this little door. Problem is, none of that happens right now. So I have two issues. I have one electrical issue to the controller itself, and then the other issue, not only this wire harness, but back here, this arm, this probably slotted 4-bar linkage, has some sort of connection issue where it's rubbing. So you get this click, 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 click noise, and I can manually actuate the door itself right here by pushing on it, but only if the electrical motor is turning. This thing is locked solid. This door is locked solid. If you don't, like in this position right now, in the I should say in the up position, if I move it back to here and try to actuate that, it actually won't allow me to. And short of breaking it, it won't allow me to. So I have to go. Say it's in the up position, right? I want this. This is where it's supposed to be. Now I want to go to the down position, complete down, and then again, can't. There we go. And I give it a little assist. You see that? It started to move. Now watch. There it is. I move the wire harness, and it completely closed itself. I'll go back up to up again. In the up position, nothing is happening. I'll wiggle the harness. Look, see it cracked open right there? A little more. Yep, cracked open again. Just wiggling this. Oh, even more, fully open. Now you can see the bottom of that gasket. Closed position. Closed position. It's stuck pretty good. Now I'm gonna rub the wire harness. See it? See now it's closed. It's closing. It's coming up. Trying, little arm over here. It's trying, it's trying. You can see it click. You can see it trying to get it engaged and release and then I have to assist it with my hand. Push it up. And watch it. The motor should finish itself off. Yep, there it is. Close itself up nice and tight. So now, in the closed position, it's fully on my feet. Down here, it's coming out fully. That door is closed. So, two problems. Have to figure out a situation to take this linkage parent. There's probably a broken pivot arm, or it's a gear that's stripped, or something. And two is the electrical issue. So this unit at Subaru is $289. On eBay, it's $50. But again, it's used, so it might have the same problem. So the decision is now as to how to fix that door so that it rotates properly. Give it some assist, short of my hand just waggling it. And the control issue. So how to fuddle with these wires with the actual control unit back inside itself and the vent covering it. I don't want this open all the time. And the third issue, or the third solution, I guess, or whatever, is to just open that up manually, set it to upper in the summer, and then in the winter put it on defrost feet and leave it. So I would just do it twice a year. Do this in the summer, do this in the winter. These little guys don't get anything in between. All it does is, this is a half open, kind of like what you saw earlier. It was stuck in that position where. So, two solutions. The less innovative one and the easiest to do in terms of right now is to just keep it on upper, because it's July now. Fix that door so it stays open in the summer, and then in the winter take off this little bezel, the vent, and close it in like it is now. So that's an idea. Let me see. It is opened up fully just by wiggling the stupid wires, almost fully. Click, 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 click. So now it's kind of in a limbo where it sticks. So sometimes it'll come up, sometimes it won't. And it's allowed to rotate fully. Closed it off. The other idea is I bought a throttle choke, and to attach that cable to the vent plate. But that does not eliminate this electrical issue. This electrical issue will be here regardless, and you can't rotate that door without that motor allowing you to, short of stripping the whole entire linkage down there on the side here. So really the solution has to be stick it up forward and then don't allow it to move, or come up with a way to move these back and forth from in front with like fishing line or rubber bands or something, and then also a door situation. So it's a twofold problem. If you have this problem in your Subaru, check both the connections and the actuator door linkage, the blend door linkage, because there is a problem with both of them in my case.